Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete a channel in the Beep application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you're done with that, you should just look at the bottom of your right corner and there you will see the more option. And here in this page you should select the second option, which is channels. And you will be able to find here your channels. You can just press on one of them. And if you are you want to delete it for some reason, you can just press on channel details down below and you will see the second option there, which is delete channel. Just press on it and there will be a small window popping up to you asking if you really want to delete your channel, and you should just press on delete channel. And you can see that your channel has been deleted successfully. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.